çiçekçi çocuk hayır cevabı alınca kolundan ısırdı. Canlı canlı binlerce kişi gördü.
It was censored.
Oh my god, dude. Oh, it's too...
Son durağı İstanbul'du. Daha ilk günlerinden unutamayacakları bir anıları oldu.
Oh no, dude.
They say that you're a couple and you're married.
Oh no.
Are you sending them there? That photo?
Beyoğlu'nda bir restoranda canlı yayına başlamışlardı. Bu sırada muzip bir çiçekçi çocuk geldi. Masaya gül bıraktı.
Holy shit, dude.
What? Huh?
In the middle there, so I know where I am.
You're a big guy.
It's fine.
Okay. You're crying now.
It's okay.
I mean, what if you found out you were staring at two CIA agents right now, though?
Well, there's a cop here, so nothing.
Yeah, well, because we're not CIA agents.
Oh, okay. What do you guys want for food?
Honey Boo Boo.
Hey, the CIA made me.
Wait, what? We don't serve honey boo. What the fuck?
Oh my God! The CIA made him do that?
Holy shit.
What the hell does that? Hey, what about our food order?
Hey, give me 30 seconds.
I just wanted some burger.
Based on what I said, I can tell I was drunk. Because I'm not usually this much of a cunt. Andy, who's shuffling around Europe like an angry Roomba. I felt bad for Rich because you can tell that Andy was becoming drained by it. That's how friends are, but I felt bad for him, so I expressed it in a toxic way. Realistically, if I had to be around Rich all day, every day, I would probably also start crumbling inside. I don't hate Andy, even if he does look like my grandma's grandma.
Wait. Is that him throwing up? He was just like puking. Wait, it must be from the... It must be from the alcohol, right? No, I didn't poison him.
And I find two chuckle fucks in suits claiming they're from an acronym that just happens to come out to CIA, claiming they're carpet salesmen. And McNulty came in here and told me they're carpet salesmen, and then walked away and said directive. Hey, so I'm thoroughly unhappy with what's happening, and I'm calling Bench Guy and Booba.
Hey, new directive, some might say. These guys are just carpet salesmen. I say we let them go. I can go and get them loaded up, and let's get out of here, okay?
Literally. Thank you.
Okay.
Why am I being placed in cuffs?
You're literally brainwashed.
He's been.
What are you talking about? Let me out of these cuffs.
You're literally brainwashed. Okay,
they're just carpet salesmen. They're just carpet salesmen. They're just carpet salesmen. Let them go.
All right.
You might recognize this guy. I'm actually one of the owners of the company. And I was looking for a Frosker. It's not. Oh, it's sold out.
It's sold out. Our next delivery should be tonight.
Tonight?
Yeah.
It's sold out?
It is.
Comes tonight?
Unfortunately.
No.
Thank you.
That's so funny. Thank you. Hey, thank you so much.
We have to go to the next door.
Guys,
That's so
this
funny.
is a luxury problem. I'm actually pissed. I'm pissed.
but how
If he then threaten him, if he pulls a gun, he's gonna get shot. That's simple.
Oh no, he's trying to finish the job, bro. I was thinking of shooting the gas pump too. But I only he has an Uzi, so maybe. Oh! Oh! He did it! He did it! Pog! He did it, chat! He did it! That was beautiful. That was so good.
See, it's better when it's someone else and not Ray, right? And you know, there's plenty of candidates. You know, there was Lily, you know, editors, you know, Leslie. Take them out. Take them out. Take them out. Take them out.
No.
Stop! I fucking hate you! Ah!
Hello?
No!
Yeah, that was super funny.
No! I am going.
That's actually, DMCA, I'm striking your channel. I'm striking OTV and Friends. I'm actually reporting this channel. I've reported it. I'm reporting it. If we could get a mass report going, please, that'd be great. Yep. That's not me. That's actually not me.
I'm gonna find you and peg you, Andrew Tate. I'm gonna take a big phone and stick it in your. Don't even with me, bro. It's purple. It's purple.
Oh my god, fucking Zoomer New Yorkers, I swear to God.
Yeah, Andrew, you take girls, and actually, not only did you traffic women like proudly, and you have this whole Hustlers University pyramid scheme that you run. Yeah, and Hassan did own you on that Twitch stream. You are a loser. I think that he.
tips for a small streamer? Yeah, give up. More than likely. If it's not a hobby, if it's your job, then give up.
Shit show Saturday?
I hate waxing. It's the worst thing ever. It's the worst thing ever. But I kind of wanna do it because I'm so fluffy right now.
Yeah, you're pretty fluffy, man.
And when you're so fluffy, you can't really see the definition or the muscles. You guys look at me and you're like, Thor, where's your muscles? Where are your muscles? Why are you looking so skinny? It's not that I'm skinny, guys. It's just because I have all this fur on me and you can't see the muscles. That's why. That's why.
What is fishing called?
Oh, you don't touch the fishy.
What? What the fuck is this, mister?
What are you talking about, bruh?
Why this one got Marabunter on it,
It's only a game.
Oh, that's mine, bro. Don't worry about it, man.
The fuck you say?
It's my turf now, man.
Fuck you say?
I'm repping Marabunta now. Ah!
You want to say this one again, mister?
Please, man.
You got a fucking gang flag on you, mister? Hmm?
Yeah, it's my fucking flag now, bro.